Alright, y'all see what I'm doing on the grill here, man. Got me a hamburgers, an onion, and got an egg over here. Alright, y'all see what I'm doing today. Yeah, check it out. Yeah, you know how I do it. Look delicious, don't it? Yeah. Yeah, check it out. Alright, y'all. I'm letting y'all know what I'm doing today. So, alright, stand by. I'm going to show you that end result soon. Alright, y'all, look at it. Yeah, trying something new today. Tell me what y'all think about the hamburger with a fried egg on it. Get ready to throw some cheese on there. Stand by. Oh, yeah, I'm showing you what I'm doing today. I'm at it again. Mr. Elwood Videos. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. I'm back with the end results for this video today. Alright, check it out, y'all. See what I did today. Alright, tell me what y'all think. Got some celery in there. Alright, y'all. Tell me what y'all think about this video for today. I'm going to call this Mr. Elwood Special. Yes. Y'all see that cheeseburger over there? Fried egg on it? Yes. I don't know, trying something new. Alright, I'm going to see how this going to taste. Alright, y'all. I'm not going to hold y'all too much longer. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit all post notifications, share my video. I thank y'all for watching. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Alright, y'all. I got to go. Y'all know what it is. Alright, trying to get y'all a good view of it. Alright, y'all. I'm out. Peace.